Whoa, dude, I'm a millennial right now. That's weird, that never happened before. And I don't know why I have this urge to cook an avocado and mozzarella sandwich today. Let's get to the ingredients. What we're gonna need for today's recipe is the following. We're gonna need one avocado, one tomato, one bowl of mozzarella, one loaf of bread, some salt, some pepper for taste, and that's about it. It's very simple, very fast recipe, so I say let's just jump into it and let's get to the cooking.
We are gonna start by cutting our tomato and slicing it. We will take the bowl of mozzarella and we're gonna slice it just like we did with the tomato. After that, we're gonna take the avocado and we're gonna open it carefully. Also, be very careful when you remove the seed. Then we're gonna take the avocado pulp and I'm gonna put it into a plastic bowl. We're gonna add a copious amount of salt to help with the mashing process, and we're gonna mash the avocado pulp into a fine puree. The next step will be to take the bread out. And we will put the slices of mozzarella on one half of the bread, half of the sandwich bread. Then we're gonna take that half and put it into the oven so it can toast and the mozzarella can start melting. We're gonna put the other bread as well because we also want it toast. When it's done, be very careful because it's very hot, but you take them out back on the cutting board. We're going to start spreading the avocado puree on the top slice of bread. Then we're gonna just add a bit of pepper over the mozzarella, and then we're gonna put on the same slice of bread the tomatoes over the mozzarella so they stick and they don't run away. And to finish off the sandwich, just put the slice with the avocado on top of the other side. And here it is, avocado and mozzarella sandwich, ready to eat.
So guys, here it is, the sandwiches. Like I said, they're very fast, very quick, and it's time to taste them. Ooh. It's falling everywhere, but that's not the point. The thing is, it's everything you expect from a tomato mozzarella sandwich. It's not special, but it's not bad either. It's just as it's supposed to be. Like, you probably had it a lot of times, because I guess you're probably a millennial as well. And yeah, I mean, I'm actually really enjoying it. It's fresh, it's revigorating, it's not very heavy food. It's the best way I can describe it. It's an avocado and mozzarella sandwich. Nothing less, but nothing more either. Actually, I could say about it that it's a perfect snack. If you're looking for a very cheap snack, I actually managed to make this with only the equivalent of $2, and we got 3 sandwiches out of all the ingredients we had. So if you're looking for a healthy snack, this might be the thing for you. I know I like it, so yeah. Me and my assistant, we're gonna go munch on everything else that's left here, because we're gonna empty this plate. I'm glad you were here with us. Like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed the show, and we'll be back as soon as possible with another episode. Have fun, guys. I know I'm going to the beach right now. Come on, we're going to Ibiza. We're gonna have some fun. You saw how simple it was. Bada bim, bada boom, it's done. See? Ready to eat.
Sounds like kitchen porn.